नमस्कार साथियों, मैं पुष्पा पिपलानी आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करते हुए ईश्वर को धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि आप सभी घर पर रहकर स्वस्थ एवं सुरक्षित हैं तथा इस कार्यक्रम को भी पसंद कर रहे हैं। आज मैं कौन बनेगा जियो जीनियस का 16th एपिसोड लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ। नियम आप सभी को ज्ञात हैं। 15 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। फर्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चंस मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस हैं। इसके लिए आपको 10 पॉइंट्स एवरी क्वेश्चन देना है और नेक्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट आंसर्स हैं और करेक्ट आंसर के लिए आपको 20 पॉइंट्स देने हैं। इस तरह टोटल 200 पॉइंट्स हैं, जिसमें जिसका सबसे ज़्यादा स्कोर होगा वह आपकी फैमिली का बनेगा जियो जीनियस। तो चलिए आप और हम सब खेलते हैं कौन बनेगा जियो जीनियस। प्रत्येक आंसर के लिए आपको 10 सेकेंड्स का समय दिया जाएगा। अभी आपको हर क्वेश्चन से पहले, जैसा आप जानते हैं, एक मैसेज आएगा। तो आज का आपका मैसेज है स्टे एट होम, डोंट वरी, बी हैप्पी। Question number first. The second most popular Mela after Kumbh Mela is the Ganga Sagar Mela. This famous Ganga Sagar Mela, an annual fair, is held in which state of India? A. Bihar, B. West Bengal, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Odisha. Your time starts now. Time is over and answer is B. West Bengal. Now next message, stay at home, be calm, honest and informed. Now question number 2, what is the minimum age to be appointed as the Chief Minister of a state in India? A. 25 years, B. 30 years, C. 35 years, D. 22 years. Your time starts now. Time is over and answer is A. 25 years. Next message, stay at home, maintain social distancing. Now question number 3, which of the following people have not received India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna? A. Lal Krishna Advani, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri, C. Nelson Mandela, D. Mother Teresa. Your time starts now. My time is over and answer is A. Lal Krishna Advani. Next message, stay at home, living a hygienic life is not difficult. Now question number 4, which of these bodies of water does not border India? A. Indian Ocean, B. Red Sea, C. Arabian Sea, D. Bay of Bengal. Your time starts now. Time is over. Answer is B. Red Sea. Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal border India. Now next message, stay at home, kindly follow the government instructions. Question number 5, in India the Dronacharya award is given to whom? A. Sports people, B. Sports critics, C. Sports media reporters, D. Sports coaches. Now your time starts now. Time is over and answer is D. Sports coaches. Now next message, stay at home, be positive, be optimist, be united. Now question number 6, in the Mahabharata, who seized Draupadi by her hair and dragged her into the court of Dhritarashtra? A. Duryodhana, B. Dushasana, C. Jayadratha, D. Shakuni. Your time starts now. Now time is over and answer is B. Dushasana. Now next message, stay at home, relax, don't panic, be responsible. Question number 7, which gas formed about 70% of the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Your time starts now. Time is over and answer is C. Nitrogen. Message is there, stay at home, exercise regularly. Question number 8, which of these countries' currencies is different from the other three? A. Germany, B. Finland, C. Netherlands, D. Switzerland. Your time starts now. Time is over and answer is Switzerland, because Germany, Finland, Netherlands, These three countries are having euro as a currency and Switzerland is having Swiss franc. Now next message. Stay at home, cover while coughing and sneezing. Question number 9. Which of the following pairs is not matched correctly? A. Prakash Padukone to badminton, B. Vishwanath Anand to chess, C. Mithali Raj to boxing, Dhanraj Pillai to hockey. Which one is not correct? Now your time starts now. Time is over and answer is C. Mithali Raj to boxing because Mithali Raj is a cricketer. Now next question से पहले मैसेज है stay at home, taking care of your emotional health too. Which of these countries is not larger than India in term of geographical area? A. Australia, B. Indonesia, C. Brazil, D. Canada. Your time starts now. Time is over and answer is B. Indonesia. Now next message for you. Stay at home, stay indoors, be responsible. Now question number 15. Direct question and you can question number 11. Next question is 11 number question and 20 points for each. Paro Taksing is the popular name of Taksing Palphuk Monastery, also known as Tiger's Nest, a prominent Himalayan Buddhist sacred site and temple complex located in the cliff side of the Upper Paro Valley. It is located in which Asian country? You can write down the name of the country. Now answer is Bhutan. Now next message for you.
Read a book or play a game. Be positive.
Now question number 12. What was the name of India's first satellite? Your time starts now. Your time is over and answer is Aryabhatta. Now next message.
Wash your hands regularly with soap for at least 20 seconds.
Now question number 13. Shiv Kumar Sharma is a famous player of which classical instrument? Your time starts now. You can write down the instrument name. And answer is Santur. Now message.
Protect yourself and others from getting sick.
Now question number 14. Very easy question. Death Sea is to Asia as Death Valley is to what? You can write down the continent name. Your time starts now. Time is over and answer is North America. Next message by Vedanshi.
Stay home. Save lives.
Now question number 15. According to the 2011 census, arrange the following states in descending order of their population, starting with the most populous. A. Tamil Nadu, B. Tripura, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Punjab. Your time starts now. And answer is C, A, D, B, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Tripura. Now,
The next question.
it is from previous episode. That question, last question was there. So this episode will be 220 points. You can see the answer question. Starting from the southernmost, arrange these state capitals from south to north. Dehradun, B. Hyderabad, C. Tiruvananthapuram, D. Lucknow. Your time starts now. This question was from episode 15th, question number 15. Time is over and answer is C, B, D, A, Tiruvananthapuram, then Hyderabad, Lucknow and Dehradun. Now you can total your score. This time score will be from the 222 points, 220. Now I hope that all of you enjoyed this family quiz.
Best of luck. Congratulations to the GeoGenius of your family.
Family. Yes, congratulations. Now, because your schools are open, kids' schools are open in the lockdown period. So now next time we will thinking that we'll upload the Kaun Banega GeoGenius thrice in a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now you can play and watch Kaun Banega GeoGenius. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.